Hi everyone, Rudy here. I did AP Biology last year and I hope to give you guys a fresh voice about what's going on in the world of biology. I look forward to helping the viewers of these videos um, in different ways. Like I look forward to helping different audiences and like trying to appeal to as many people as I can. So this video may seem a little bit basic for some of you, though. If chemistry is not your strong suit, this is definitely the video for you so that I may explain like the most important parts from chemistry that you're going to have to know for the test. So let me start. The most important thing you need to know from chemistry, like the most important thing you need to know is obviously be aware of the elements that make up macromolecules, which are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. And well, phosphorus if you count like the sugar phosphate backbone and DNA, but I'll write the chemical symbols here. So carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur and phosphorus. So these are important because carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are component elements in carbohydrates and lipids. Carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen are used in amino acids, and in some amino acids also sulfur. Now in nucleic acids, all of these elements play a role in nucleic acids. And oh whoops, P kind of looks like an R, but yeah, I'll just anyway, that's not important. You guys know it's phosphorus. So another thing from chemistry you should know is the pH scale. Now let me select a different color. No, it's bright green. Okay, pH. So the pH scale goes from 1 to 14. I mean, not 1, 0 to 14, because a pH of 0 could be, it could be like concentrated nitric acid. And pH 14, I believe, was, I don't remember what it was exactly, but I think it was like a high power cleaning product, like for like the blue liquid that they use in airline toilets, like in the toilets on the airplanes. Or I don't know if that's pH 10. Anyway, that's not important. The most important thing is, and 7. So 7, it's the neutral ground between the acidic side, which is any value less than 7, and basic, which is any value above 7. Now, what you need to know for the test, well, it doesn't ask you specifically what a logarithmic scale is, but just so you guys know what it is, I'm going to explain it right now. So let's say you have a substance that is pH 7, like, well, water, like H2O, water, and you go with substance like 8. For the sake of the example, let's say this is Windex. Though I doubt Windex is that neutral, though I think Windex is more basic. Anyway, that's beside the point. So what the logarithmic scale means is that the Windex is 10 times more basic than H2O. And so let me give another example just so you get the idea better. So let's say from 7 to 9. So H2O to like I guess maybe concentrated Windex or concentrated like ammonia traded Windex, whatever. Like we could say that pH 8 is like, this example here was like watered down Windex, and we could say that the pH 9 is like more concentrated. So in this case, when you go from 7 to 9, it's 100 times more basic than water. So that's how the pH scale works in this case. So you have to know that for the test. You might have to, that might come up in one of the questions, though for me that didn't come up. Now in the test, pH, it's more seen as like a factor that affects the ecosystem, or it's a variable in a lab that can manipulate the results. Now, to be honest, there wasn't a lot from my ninth grade chemistry class that carried over into AP biology. Or, yeah. It didn't really, not a lot of it carried over. So if chemistry was not your strong suit, you don't really have to worry too much. Though from my experience, since I'm a chemistry fan, I find that the more from chemistry you know, the richer your AP biology experience will be. No concepts from the AP chemistry test are at all relevant to AP bio, but they can help explain some of the different properties of organic molecules like color of the substance, the melting points, boiling points. You get the idea. I like knowing more chemistry for AP bio since it bridges more gaps when you have like a question about a specific thing. My honors bio teacher told us in 10th grade that learning is all about integrating what we learn in our own way. And in my case, to be honest, I really couldn't agree more with him. Now, before I start rambling, I'll wrap this up. So, thanks for watching my video. Comment, like, subscribe for more, and catch Mao and Lee's videos to get a taste of something different from my videos if they're not exactly your style. We try to appeal to as many viewers as possible here in edutainment. So, if I don't tickle anyone's fancy, maybe try someone else's videos or just look at maybe our entertainment videos to like just maybe get a quick laugh or something. I don't know. Anyway, good night. I hope you liked my video. Like and subscribe to show your love for a YouTube rookie.